what is important to note though is the big difference. Your 1 to 10 truck operations are, and there's even probably a vast difference between those. Your 1 to 2 truck guys, what are they including in those expenses, right? Assuming that they know it. Are you including, do you have a house or do you live out of the truck? Do you have a wife that pays or husband that pays the health insurance and you don't have to, or are you including those expenses? So are you to the point of you're paying a dispatcher or 1 or 2 safety people in the office? Do you have a log auditor? Are you paying quick pay on things? All those expenses matter to those people in that bottom line. Then once you get the 10 and over operations, typically they already have a dispatcher or they're getting ready to a safety manager, or they've got those couple things. They're renting probably places to park, maybe a small terminal office, that kind of stuff. And then as you get bigger into the 50 plus truck operations, yes, you have a terminal, you have your own mechanics, you have your own garage. What are all those expenses? They can be spread out a lot more based on all of those, but you got to start somewhere, right? You got to start at the small to get to the big. And what does that all look like? And understanding how that will affect. Are you going to choose to put your mortgage payment in as a monthly expense and call it your rent? Well, from a tax deduction standpoint, there's one way to do it. But then from a living wage expense and you're a 1 truck operation, you're trying to feed your family off of it. What do those all expenses look like? And you can have it as detailed as you want. But to say that your costs of doing business is $3 a mile is going to be an issue on bidding freight, because in this market that doesn't work.